There's only one vehicle that blends this classic style and modern design to create the next generation of a real icon. Take a look at this 2020 Tesla Model 3 Long Range in solid black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 15-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, panoramic roof, electric motor with 241 horsepower, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5957.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.